What is the value of pi, approximately? A. 3.14. What is the formula to calculate the area of a circle? A. Pi r squared. What is the slope-intercept form of a linear equation? A. Y equals mx plus b. What is the value of the square root of 144? A. 12. Which of the following is a prime number? C. 29. What is the value of sine 90 degrees? A. 1. What is the value of log 1? B. 0. What is the formula to find the volume of a cone? A. 1 and hashtag x2f, 3 pi r squared h. What is the equation of a parabola in vertex form?
B. Y and hashtag x3d I x h comma caret 2 plus k.
What is the value of tangent 45 degrees? A. 1. What is the formula to calculate the area of a circle? A. Pi r squared. Which trigonometric function is equal to the ratio of the side adjacent to an angle to the hypotenuse in a right triangle? B. Cosine. What is the value of the imaginary unit I squared? A. -1. Which of the following is a common logarithm base? B. 10. What is the y-intercept of the linear equation y equals 2x plus 3? C. 3. What is the value of sine pi slash 2? A. 1. Which of the following is a prime number? B. 11. What is the value of log 10 100? A. 2. In which quadrant are cosine and sine positive? A. First. What is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle? B. 180 degrees. What is the value of pi, approximately? A. 3.14. What is the angle sum property of a triangle? A. 180 degrees. What is the value of the square root of 144? B. 12. What is the formula to calculate the volume of a cylinder? A. Pi r squared h. What is the value of sine 90 degrees? A. 1. What is the derivative of x squared with respect to x? A. 2x. What is the value of cosine 0 degrees? A. 1. What is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle? B. 2L plus W. What is the value of x in the equation 3x plus 5 equals 17? A. 4. What is the geometric shape of a cone? C. Cylinder. What is the measure of the interior angles of a regular hexagon? A. 120 degrees. Which trigonometric ratio is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse? A. Sine. What is the value of 5 factorial? A. 120. Which of the following is a prime number? B. 31. If a triangle has angles of 60 degrees, 70 degrees, and 50 degrees, what type of triangle is it? A. Acute. What is the value of log 1 base 10? A. 0. If a triangle has two sides of equal length, what type of triangle is it? B. Isosceles. In a right triangle, which side is opposite the right angle? A. Hypotenuse. What is the equation of a line in slope-intercept form?
A. Y and hashtag x3d mx plus b.
What is the value of the trigonometric function cosine, cos, at 0 degrees? A. 1. What is the value of 2 factorial, 2? B. 2. What is the value of the natural logarithm of e, lane e? B. 1. What is the value of pi, approximately equal to? B. 3.14. In a right-angled triangle, what is the side opposite to the right angle called? A. Hypotenuse. What is the value of sine 90 degrees? B. 1. What is the formula to calculate the volume of a cylinder? A. Pi r squared h. What is the sum of interior angles in a triangle? B. 180 degrees. What is the value of cosine 0 degrees? B. 1. What is the formula to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle? A. 2L plus W. In an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. If one angle is 70 degrees, what is the other angle? C. 80 degrees. If a circle has a radius of 5 centimeters, what is its circumference? A. 10 pi cm. What is the next number in the Fibonacci sequence? 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, underscore. B. 13. If a hexagon has interior angles of 120 degrees each, what is the total sum of its interior angles? A. 720 degrees. If a box has dimensions of 4 centimeters by 6 centimeters by 8 centimeters, what is its volume? A. 192 cubic centimeters. What is the slope of the line passing through the points 2, 3, and 4, 7? A. 2. What is the logarithm of 100 to the base 10? B. 2. What is the value of x in the equation 2x plus 5 equals 15? A. 5. If fx equals 3x plus 2 and gx equals 4x, 1, what is fgx? A. 12x squared plus 11x, 2. If a circle has a radius of 5 units, what is its circumference? A. 10 pi.